How does the golden ratio appear in pentagrams? Imagine a star that holds secrets about harmony and balance. That star is the pentagram, a five-pointed shape that reveals a lot about the golden ratio. When you look closely at a pentagram, you notice that it is made from a regular pentagon and its diagonals. The magic begins here because the length of these diagonals is exactly the golden ratio times longer than the sides of the pentagon. If the side of the pentagon is 1 unit, then the diagonal measures about 1.618 units. This ratio is the same number that appears in many natural patterns and art forms. When you draw a pentagram inside a pentagon by connecting every second point, the lines cross at specific spots. These crossing points divide the diagonals into segments that relate to each other through the golden ratio. This means that one part of the diagonal is about 1.618 times longer than the other part. This division is called the extreme and mean ratio, which is just a fancy way of saying the golden ratio. These segments show that the pentagram is not just a star but a shape full of proportional harmony. Inside the pentagram, you find special triangles called golden triangles. These triangles have sides where the longer side is about 1.618 times the shorter side. Their angles are all multiples of 36 degrees, matching the pentagon's symmetry. These triangles are called golden because they follow the same ratio that makes the pentagram so pleasing to the eye. There are also golden gnomons, which are isosceles triangles with sides in golden ratio proportions. These shapes help explain why the pentagram looks so balanced and why it appears in nature and art. The angles in the pentagram are always multiples of 36 degrees, which link back to the pentagon's symmetry. This division of the circle into 10 parts relates to the golden ratio's algebraic properties. When you look at smaller pentagrams inside the main one, they also follow the same golden ratio pattern. This creates a repeating, self-similar design that shows how the golden ratio appears again and again within the shape. All these geometric features connect to the idea that the pentagram is a symbol of harmony. Its proportions and angles are not random but follow the golden ratio, which is why it has been used in architecture, art, and design for thousands of years. The way the golden ratio shows up in the pentagram helps us understand how numbers and shapes can create beauty and balance in the world around us.